how to prepare for the NIFT Situation Test Online. The NIFT Situation Test is the second phase of the admission process. Students who clear the Phase 1 written exam are then selected for the Phase 2 Situation Test. The Situation Test requires students to create beautiful, innovative 3D models using the materials provided. They also have to explain their design with a write-up. The Situation Test has 20% weightage for admission to NIFT, so working hard in this final round can be an absolute game changer. SILICA has created a NIFT Situation Test online course to prepare students for all aspects of the NIFT Situation Test, interview and portfolio. So let's have a look at it. There is a brief introduction to this course, followed by a situation test workbook. The workbook gives students an insight into creative ways of using different materials and also how to explain your design with a write-up. There is a section with 7-day video lessons, which has multiple videos that show students how to use different materials. Students can pause, replay, and follow along to develop their skills for the situation test. Then there is an entire section with solved situation tests from the last 16 years. This will give students a fair insight as to the type of questions that are being asked and also show them creative ways of how to go about solving them. Then the Situation Test online course also contains 10 mock tests to give students the real situation test experience. The 10 mock tests have been divided into beginner, advanced, and pro categories. The beginner level has 3 to 4 materials, whereas the pro has 12 to 16 different materials. So the difficulty level increases with each mock test. This progress tracker right here helps students work their way through the 10 mock tests. Each of the mock tests in this section has a new question along with a unique set of materials. There is also a step-by-step guide as to how to solve the mock test. There are also special guidelines for the write-up. Each question comes with a unique hashtag to upload your model on social media. Students will get likes, comments, feedback from faculty, and also a special feature on SILICA's social media handles. This online course also has separate sections dedicated to portfolio guidance, group discussion, and also the interview. So what are you waiting for? Prepare yourself for the NIFT Situation Test with SILICA's online course, which is available on SILICA's website. Thank you.